Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add images in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites, and next to the website that you want to add images on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and first let's add a new section that is blank to have a space to explain on. Now to add an image in Hostinger website builder, just click on elements, then drag and drop this image element like that. Then place it where you want it to be. You can adjust it like that, or from these little squares, adjust it as you want. And now to add or to replace this default image, select the image first, then click on or let's select on the image, click on edit image. This image setting window pops up, click on replace image, and here you can upload your image from your computer. Let's add this image from my download file. Double click your image and it will be uploaded to Hostinger. Now to add it to replace it or to use it, click on select. And just like that, your image will be added to your website. As you see, the image does not shows up completely, so go to style and click on reset image proportions. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. And click on reset image proportions, just like that. And after that, you can resize it again. This is the first way to add an image to Hostinger website. Before that, you can duplicate your image like that. Instead of to create multiple images, instead of going back to elements and drag and drop the same image element, just duplicate the first one or the existing one. Now let's see how to add images in another way. Let's now click on add section, and here scroll down to images, and you can add images following those already designed templates. Let's use this template for example. As you see, when I click on it, a new section was added to my website page. Of course, you can edit those images. Just select the image, click on edit image, and replace the image with one of your images. You can also use free images from I think they are provided by Pixels. And this is how to add images on Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.